How to download Capcut app in iPhone very easily. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your app store. If you want to get the Capcut app in your iPhone device, you can easily get this. Just wait and then click on the search bar at the right bottom of your screen and then hit the search bar at the very top. Now type Capcut in your search bar and then hit the search and you can see your Capcut app. Ignore first one. The second one is the Capcut video editor. Just tap on this and then click on the get and you can easily get this app in your iPhone very easily. I have already downloaded it. Just click on the open. Now you can see the new project here. You can easily click on that one. You can get videos and pictures from your gallery. The second one, you can see the template option, you can see the inbox in the latest version, and you can see your profile. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.